Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart frequently asked questions for the plugins. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the customers, if they're having any queries or if they want to find solutions to frequently faced questions, how they can easily do so by checking the FAQ section of your website. And this would give the customers a chance to figure out the things that by themselves. They can read up the answers to the general questions in the form of the frequently asked questions, and this plugin lets the admin to display the framed questions and answers as required. And this would easily set up the FAQ section to your OpenCart web store with jQuery powered animation. So let's see how this particular plugin works. So we'll be showing you the storefront flow as well as how the customer can see the FAQs for the products, and we'll also be showing you how the web store admin would be able to set up the FAQ section for the products from the admin backend panel itself. So first, let's see how we can as customers how we can check the FAQs for the different products at the storefront. So for that, let me take you to the storefront now. So I'm at the OpenCart platform based web store right now, as you can see, and here we have created this help center, and here's the section where the customers will be seeing the frequently asked questions on the selected pages that the admin has chosen from the admin backend panel. And here the FAQ is shown on the home page. As you can see right now, we are on the home page, and here we have the FAQ section, and the customers can find all of the categories here. So here you can see that we have created multiple categories uh, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and the customers can also search for the different queries there. For example, if I enter GUST guest and then order, and if I tap the enter button thereafter, or let me tap here on the search button. Alright, so basically if you want to search for your frequently asked questions, for example, if I enter to popular belief and then tap here on the search button, you'll be seeing that we are directed towards the particular section wherein we have this particular query being set up by the admin for the customers to check. And so if a customer taps on any of the created categories, then all of the created FAQs for that particular category would be displayed to the customers, or the FAQs that are associated with it are displayed. So for example, here you can see that under the OpenCart store pickup category, I have this FAQ section here. And similarly, the customers can also search for any of the FAQs using the search bar, as I've already told you. And basically the search bar has a search prediction available for the customers. So for example, if we have the college in Virginia, if I copy that up and I try and enter that here, then you'll be able to see that as soon as I've entered college in Virginia, the particular section where we have this particular thingy is displayed. So here you can see that college in Virginia. So basically the search prediction is also available as soon as the customer types in the required data. Accordingly, the particular FAQ or the data for that is being displayed to the customers. And apart from that, this is the category. This is this particular section that we have is having the category question or the FAQ answer along with it. And here for example, you can see here we have the category question being displayed, right? And here we have the answers for that. So this was how this particular plugin can be used to create a help center for the customers, so that they can get an assistance to the frequently asked questions for the different products. And the admin can create different categories, as you can see, and the customers can make use of the search box here that allows you to type in and find your particular text search that you want to do. Let's go to the admin backend panel and let's see how the admin can set up this particular plugin. So for that, I'll just take you to the OpenCart web store backend panel, and we'll be logging into the admin account. And after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the OpenCart web store admin will have this FAQ menu option. Under that, he'll have the FAQ category list and the question list So let's go through each of them one by one. Apart from that, after the successful installation, you can make the initial configurations by navigating through extensions and then going to the modules submenu option. Here we have the FAQ for the web goal. Tap on the edit button, and from here you can set up the FAQ module appearance as well at the storefront. So as we were saying, it was like here on the home page. Here we have the categories, the question, the answers for the FAQ. So this is just a demo data there. Now let's go back, and from here the admin can enable or disable this particular functionality of the frequently asked questions section. The admin can set up the category background color. The background color right now you can see it's the kind of a green, and when we hover it's kind of a purple. So green, and when we hover we have the pink color. Then we have the question background color, kind of you can see here, and questions background color, and you can see the questions background color. It's basically the same color that is there. Similarly, we can set up the question hover color, question text color, answer background color, answer text color, border color, and the category text color as well. Thereafter you just need to save it up and the initial configurations are done. Now let's go to the FAQ category. So here the admin can find all the created categories for the FAQs. So we have created the categories according to the product names here. We have the icons for the FAQ categories. We can edit any of the created categories by tapping on the edit under the options column. And according to your store views, you can set up the question category, and this would be visible to the customers on the category itself. So this is OpenCart store pickup, that's the category name. So you can set that up here, and then you can set up the image or the icon can be uploaded for this particular category as well. Then you can tap here on the save button. Let's go back and let's create a new category. So for that we'll just go to the FAQ category list, tap here on the add new category, enter the question category, the image, tap on the save, and we have created our FAQ category. You can also delete anyone by selecting them up as a single or in multiple as well, and then tapping here on the delete button. Now let's go to the FAQ question list. We created the categories. Now here under the FAQ question list, you can see that we can easily filter out the question list using the status as enable, disable, the category name that we have created, and the questions as well. And apart from that, let me refresh the page once. All right, so now to add a new FAQ question list, you just need to tap here on the add button, and thereafter we have the question and the answer for that. Then under the data, we can set the status as enabled or disabled, and can choose to assign this particular FAQ question and the answer that we're creating to a particular category that we have already created from the drop down here, right? So you got that. Now let's go back. That's how we can add the FAQ to a already created category. Now after creating the FAQs, the question and the answers, you can find those questions here being listed. You can select them up in single or multiple, and you can delete them as well. You can also edit them by tapping here on the edit button, and you can set the question and the answers for the same. So for example, we have this Lorem Ipsum, this is the question and this is the answer. If I take you to the storefront, we were using these the dummy text there. Lorem Ipsum is simple dummy text. It is a long established fact. If I come back to the FAQ question, it is the long established facts, that's the answer, and the question was Lorem Ipsum is simply a dummy text, right? So this was the question, this is the answer, and this is the category name that we had. So that was how we can create the FAQ questions, set them as enabled, choose the category for the created what we say as the FAQ question. So that was much about the OpenCart frequently asked question plugin. I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can always get back to us at support@webpool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcoolertuitors.com. Thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.